Alright, and shake. Let's jump. Good job. Alright, kids, bago tayo mag-start, magpapakilala mo na ang event team. My name is Ate Joyce, and I'm your host for today together with Ate Joy, Ate MJ, Ate Lori, and Ate Jack. And we are the event team of Kidsuna SM North EDSA. Hello, kids! At syempre, meron tayong special guest from Japan. Excited na ba kayong kami ng ating special guest? Yes! Okay, kids! Let's all meet the loveliest friendly mascot here at Kidsuna. Let's say hi to Lala Chan! Alright! May sinasabi si Lala Chan, kids. Ano yung Lala Chan? Sabi ni Lala Chan, kids, lahat po ba dito marunong mag-dance? Yes! Lalo mag-warm up dance tayo, kids. Pero bago yun, may ituturo 3 basic steps si Lala Chan, okay? Alright, kids, follow nyo lang yung step ng Lala Chan. Alright, Lala Chan, ano yung first step? Sabi ni Lala Chan, wash your hand and your shoulder. Alright, kids, kayo kami, sabay-sabay tayo, kids. Wash your hand and shoulder. Good job. Second step, Lala Chan. Sabi ni Lala Chan, touch your tummy and your bottom. Alright, kids, sabay-sabay tayo. Touch your tummy and then your bottom. Good job. Third step, Lala Chan. Wiggle your arms up and down. Okay, kids, sabay-sabay tayo. Up and down. Up and down. Good job. Alright, kids, are you ready to dance? Yes, okay, music please, Ate Jack. Alright, kids, follow me on the step ni Lala Chan. Alright, let's march. Touch your head and shoulder. Hand and shoulder. Touch your tummy. Wiggle up. And shake your hands. Shake your feet. Very good, let's march. Alright, kids. Touch your butt. Wiggle up and down. Up and down. Let's march. Everybody, jump. Good job, everyone. Alright, kids. Move backward and sit down po tayo. Alright, sit down lang po. Today, magkakaroon tayo ng game. And ang game po natin is called Tag of War. Sino po nakakaalam na nakalaro na ng Tag of War? Alright, marami na. Ipapakita ni Ate Lori and Ate Joy kung paano yung mechanics ng game natin, kids, okay? All you need to do, kids, is to listen kay Ate Joyce. Okay, kids, makikinig lang po ba kay Ate Joyce? Okay, wala pang tatayo. Just listen lang po sa mechanics ng game natin, okay? As you can see, meron tayo dito. Ano to, kids? Wow! Ba't sa gitna ng rock, meron po? Tag! Alright, sa magkabilang side natin, nandito po yung teammate natin, si Ate Joy. And then sa team B naman natin, si Ate Lori, okay? Alright, kids, pag sinabi ni Ate Joyce na, hands up, you need to raise your hand. Then pag sinabi ni Ate Joyce na, hold the rope. Alright, hahawakan na lang po yung rope, pero wait for my signal, wala po walang living na lang tali, okay? And then pag sinabi ni Ate Joyce na, in 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, hihilahin niyo na yung rope, then magkakaw si Ate Joyce ng 15 seconds. Within 15 seconds, pag-touch niyo yung ating tag ni Ate Joy, sino po yung winner natin? Si Ate Joy. Okay, another example. Alright, hands up. Hold the rope. In 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, hihilahin naman ni Ate Lori, ang score ni Ate Lori, yung ating tag, then magkakaw si Ate Joyce within 15 seconds. Pag nag-stay po kay Ate Lori yung tag, sino yung winner natin? Ate Lori. Okay, kids, naiintindihan po ba yung mechanics ng game natin? Yes. Alright, kids, may sinasabi si Lala Chan. Ano yung Lala Chan? Alright, bago na po tayo mag-start, may safety reminder na po si Lala Chan. Okay, Lala Chan, ano yan? First is no pushing. Wala daw po magtutulakan. Second is no jumping. Kasi yung game natin is gagawin po natin sa air track area. Okay, kids? Then third, hold on up firmly. And last, be sports and enjoy the game. Okay, kids, are you ready to play? Yes, okay, kung ready na, start na ba naman? Alright. Then time po tayo, Team A, kay Ate Joy Joy. And then yung Team B naman natin, kay Ate Lorraine. Alright, sa Team B po natin, biggest to smallest. And sa Team A po natin, smallest to biggest. Alright, kids, wala na pong maalis sa line. Arms forward. Giyahin niyo si Lala Chan, kids. Arms forward. Good job. Alright, line na tayo, kids. Sa mga Lala Chan. Two legs tayo, kids. Then arms forward. Wala na pong maalis sa pila. Alright, arms forward, kids. Sa mga Lala Chan. Arms forward, Team A and Team B. Alright, Ate Joy Joy, ilang pairs po sa ating Team A? 12 pairs. Meron tayong 12 pairs sa ating Team A. How about Team B, Ate Lori? Alright.